So I see quite a lot on these Harley forums, and there's a lot of people with a set of sports to say front forks, and you generally find there's a lot of corrosion on them. The aluminium's just started to pit. There's quite an easy fix on this. What I tend to use is a bit of 600 grit paper, followed it up by a bit of 800 grit paper, and then I use this Meguiar's all metal polish. It's pretty easy to use, and I'll just give you a quick tutorial. So here's the 600 grit paper. As you can see, we're all pitted on this top half. As you're rubbing it, you can clearly see that the corrosion is disappearing. I mean, I do this a couple of times myself, but if you want a better finish, you can maybe go 3 times, 4 times. The more you do it, the better finish you get. It's coming up alright so far. Move on to a little bit of 800 grit, tiny bit finer. I mean, there is people out there will go right up to a 2000 grit. I don't seem to think you need to go that far. So already a lot of that pitting in that area, a bit of that corrosion has disappeared. And we'll get some of this Meguiar's polish. You want a tiny little bit on a microfiber cloth. Already we're getting a nice little shine on that, you see. And that's just one pass. If you wanted to, I'm going to get your 800 grit again. Give it another blast of it. There's no need to go for rougher one, as that's just to get the deep off. And again, bit of a microfiber, bit of the magic polish. Give it a nice little buff up. And there we have it, nice and shiny. You can see if it'll focus up here what it was to start with compared to what it is now. Quite a massive difference. I have done a little bit down this bottom end as well. I'll slowly work my way around the whole thing, probably take off this reflector and it'll look like new again. Thanks for watching.